Willie's crib. Cause he the one that wanna. He convinced me to ruin my truck. So we gonna see how this goes. I ain't got much to lose. Damn, bro, my stars is making that much noise. I don't know if the video picks it up. But, oh lord. Let's see if I can get in. Should be able to. There we go. Oh, look at him. He in here already. Oh. That boy taking too long. What up, my boy?
Go back a little.
Go back?
Yeah. Right there.
Alright. What up, gang?
guys? We about to.
We
either gonna do something right or we gonna
fuck some shit up, bro. Damn, say it right. Damn, B. How you been? Damn. You got the bitch sitting right. For now, he said he got big things coming soon.
Oh yeah. They're in there too.
Oh shit, you can't show
And
me.
then we got
Big Red over here.
we got big. What do they call it? Big Clifford?
Do they call it Clifford? I thought they called it Big Red.
Big Red.
We got Big Red here though.
What we about to do?
What is we about to do? We about to ruin my truck because you convinced me to ruin my truck.
Yeah.
You've been begging me for the longest.
Gay.
You're gay.
Wait, so you got the U-boat already?
Nah, we gotta go get him. Let's take your truck.
My truck.
Yeah.
But let's go ahead and get the stuff out.
Yeah. He said, oh, can we show him yet? Not yet.
No one knows.
No one knows? Ah, we can't show him yet then.
Literally, I haven't told anyone. Well, only like.
Only a couple. I know who
like
knows.
David. Like.
Then we got the speaker now and everything.
Damn, I was planning on playing music, but we can't, huh?
Nah, bro, copyright.
I
Nah,
guess
we can play some.
I can come out with my own music.
That boy said he finna start rapping on his own. Yeah, update though, cause I know I've been lacking. Oh shit, I'm taking shit. I know I've been lacking, so here's what I'm gonna show y'all that I got done. So first, I'm finally on some all-terrains, cause you know I had to.
Right.
What else have I done for real? I got
You had these wheels last time?
Yeah, I had them all. I took them to ATI.
Oh.
Yeah, I got a chrome grill. This little plaquita. Yeah, it's 2001 a year. I haven't really been doing much to it, but that's about it.
Which one should we take to where we gotta go?
Whichever one you... Oh, what up, dog? What up, doggy? Whichever one you want to, cuz.
I need to do eeny, meeny, miny one.
Oh.
No, let's just do this one.
Let's do this one. That boy attacking my ass. So we better take his wheel. That boy got it. Nah, it's not that dark. Damn, that boy got the lunch bag in here. He said he a professional. What are you now?
I'm a electrician.
Oh.
I could go wire you up.
Oh. Damn, B. I've never ridden in this bitch. I ain't gonna lie.
Should we do AC or windows down?
It don't matter, up to you.
Let's do some windows. Oh.
You know what's crazy?
We gonna convert my windows into electrical.
Oh yeah, cause look, man, that's not it, man. Imagine you in a shootout when you gotta roll up your window, bro. Oh yeah, nah. Bro, you know what's crazy?
What is?
I've never ridden in this bitch, but I already drove it.
For real, huh?
Yeah, I've drove it already, but I've never ridden in it.
I have.
What's on some fours? It's on fours, right?
Yeah.
Oh. He said he finna give those to me though.
You gonna be for sale after?
Oh, you can't say that yet.
Oh.
But he said they finna be for sale.
I am looking for 22s.
22.
I like the Denellis.
Oh, I know what you're talking
I'll show
about.
my where I live.
Oh. Damn. Oh, I forgot about this shit. You got red on here too.
Oh, more projects coming too.
Oh yeah. Oh, we're doing that. We're doing mine's probably like in 2 weeks as well.
With
The headliner. With LEDs.
stars.
Where my boy Victor at? He not here.
That boy got an OBS.
Oh yeah, that boy do got an OBS. I forgot about that shit too. That bitch clean too, huh?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
personally, I don't see a stop sign.
What's the stop sign?
Right?
Lord, this man finna kill me. He ain't running no seatbelts neither. When we doing your sound system bit?
Actually, I was just about to tell you. Probably. Shit, probably. What you gonna do this weekend?
The weekend?
I'll be either in the weekend or sometime next week.
Well, I'm free Friday. I don't know if you free Friday.
Free Friday.
Free Friday.
You know, I'm a very. Oh, there's a cop right behind us.
Oh, shit.
I got no tag.
Oh, you got me fucked up. You finna take my ass to jail. Hell nah. But what you getting downstairs sound system?
So it's gonna be 2 10s. I'm gonna put tweeters.
Where you finna put the tweeters at? Out the door or inside?
I think it's gonna be outside because these aren't like the other ones. It doesn't have like another place to put it in.
So
unless I make a hole.
We gonna have
like,
to drill a hole right here then, huh?
Yeah.
Damn.
But I mean, it has a thing, so it'll sit like.
Okay, I see what you mean. Yeah.
Put my blinker, because if not,
Boy, that boy be gone. That boy be gone, but you ain't got a license, do you?
yeah, I do.
Oh.
That's just funny.
Where you going, kid?
It was here, right?
It was here, I think. I'm pretty sure. I don't remember.
We gonna find out.
So what is we doing first of all? Cause what we coming to Amazon for?
We gonna tell him?
We gonna tell them, might as well.
All right, guys. Brian gonna turn gate number.
Oh! Hold on.
I guess we gonna make his truck lay back.
Oh. We gonna get a little lean on there, cause you know, why not? I'm getting tired of the little level out look. Even though it do look nice though. Let's go in. Where were they though? Huh?
Tu troca no quema.
Aceite.
Yeah. This is coolant.
You tripping. Oh, where are they? Right here? Where they at? What?
I've been looking for this.
Ain't know where they are. Where they at? Walmart.
Is this like a?
It's a wheel cleaner.
Oh, look like something else. Oh, it comes with 2 or 1?
2? No, 1. I'm pretty sure it's 1. Oh, they're right here. I think it's these white boys right here. No, yeah. The thing is, them hoes look long as hell.
And I ain't gonna lie to you.
I think it's these right
I
here,
ain't
no?
gonna lie to you. They look kind of skinny. But I don't know.
No, because the rough country ones look like that. I ain't gonna lie. But
That one is. También,
I don't know.
What's the difference with that?
I don't know. These, I'm guessing these are shorter.
Let me see. Yeah. 9 and una quarter. Wait, what?
12 and a quarter.
Look, this is different.
So this thicker, huh?
We should look at them, though. But I don't think that one has bolts. We'll see.
It should. This says they're included. If anything, we could cut them.
Yeah, that's
if
what
anything,
I
I
was
feel like
gonna
these
say.
are cut. These are more thicker. You ain't got a knife, do you?
No, I don't.
Hold on. Damn, bitch. Where my keys at?
Yeah, this one.
Here. Damn, you struggling. Ugly. What the hell is that? Oh, them hoes thicker too.
They're thicker.
But there's only 2 of them, no?
Oh, yeah. How much are they? Probably cheaper.
Boy, hell no. No, that's not it. They're 34. Yeah, they like 34. A ver, sácalo. I just needed more thread up, which I think that's
They're
what.
the same thing. These are just shorter, I believe. Look.
Yeah.
Well, you can always cut those, but no say.
Damn. I have the other U-bolts on my truck.
I mean, it's going lower in the bag, so this one could probably work.
You think so?
But you could cut these.
But these are thicker.
But these are only 2.
Right. You're right. Let's take these then. Long hand ones. The shit we do cook. Ghetto as hell. And the only reason I'm getting these is because my stock ones don't close. And then I got some rough crunchy ones.
They
too big. So you gonna see. Cause I know these for lifting the truck, so I don't know. I'm finna pay for these. I'll catch y'all back up in the truck. So we got the package secured. Paid about $40. Is this black? Nah, it's the same color. Probably nice. Oh yeah, I haven't showed y'all the interior. That's why I didn't show y'all.
Of what?
The interior.
Of yours?
Yeah. They don't know about that.
It's alright.
It better than yours. Where your console at?
Oh, I didn't want it because
Stop lying. Stop lying, bro.
this gives you easy access.
To what? Oh.
That's a stop sign.
What's a stop sign? Run now. Ooh. Means so, but that's crazy, bro. I can't believe I'm really about to ruin my truck because of you. What you gotta say? I ain't gonna lie though. I feel like it's gonna be clean though.
Since you think it's gonna be clean, you're gay.
Oh wow, that's
See,
crazy.
me personally, I would never do that.
Now why you lying? Ain't you say you want us to do Big Red?
I won't ever that.
I feel like that bitch would look mean if you was squad at it. Talk about mean as fuck.
I'd be looking at the star.
Probably so. I want to see that bitch on the 3-inch block. Cause what block?
Fuck a block.
Damn. I forget y'all 2-wheel drive kids don't have one.
Huh?
I forgot y'all 2-wheel drive kids don't have one.
That is a 4-wheel drive.
Barely.
What the fuck you mean?
That how useless. Oh.
You cracking?
No.
Get your U-boat.
Oh, I'm good. My bad. Shit. Damn. Boy, getting offensive. He tweaking. But yeah, you already know, bro. We finna squat the rig. Since we in the South, might as well.
We in the south?
We is in the South. Dumbass, this is Alabama.
Oh. I thought it was the north.
You tripping, dog. Oh, you know what I'm gonna get to?
Where cameraman at?
Man, that man didn't want to come. He talking about some, I'm gonna go get a haircut and this and this and that.
Man, that man weak.
Oh, God. Where the other cameraman at?
I didn't think about that.
You tripping. Call his out right now for you record. What PC?
Stream PC. I'm gonna start editing for you.
Oh, shit.
Okay, I guess then.
I guess your PC then. Hold on though. Cause William over here got the hose. Where the hose at?
What?
The fuck they go?
Were they just here?
They were just here. That's crazy. You under here? Oh, look at their ass. What y'all doing, cuz?
I could have ran them over.
I'm God. Shit. So let's get started then. Might as well. Oh, where that block at we had last time? Cause we was gonna do it already one time. I don't want to talk about that, but chill out.
No, like you
Oh.
could have used this for the tag.
It's a 1 though. I need a 2.
Oh.
Go ahead, open the tailgate, bro.
You should put the reversion.
Put it in reverse. I don't know. Do you want to?
No, he's fine.
I think it's fine. Like that.
Let me get the little.
Damn, B.
What?
Well, they ain't that much longer actually. But so we gonna put it in reverse or just like that? All right. All right, so we about to get started.
Alright.
All right.
Alright, but where you gonna set it up?
I don't know. That's the thing. I do not know right now. You can got like a little brick or something. Use one of the chickens. They can record, right? Yeah, I can record, please. Can y'all record for me? Please? No? Okay, I'm sorry. You got like a little brick or something though?
No, I
I don't got nothing back there besides my spare. Bro, we can use this. That shit don't look different at all.
Yes, it does.
No, does it? I mean, at the end of the day.
You can tell it's leaning.
Not for real. I mean,
You can tell the gap different.
yeah. Well, let's go see the other side. Oh yeah, you're right. It's like what? About my hand. Yeah, it's about my hand. And damn, nah, it did drop about a good 2 inches. Damn. I just do the other side. Damn. Bruh, damn. This shit did drop.
We gotta turn up the key.
You gotta turn up the keys a little bit. Only a little bit.
I'm scared I'm liking it.
Oh, God. Nah, I mean, you can't really tell because at the same time, it's not really like lifted either way. But it's squatted.
How much more can you do the front?
I could do like a bit more. The thing is, you remember I told you that I broke the
Yeah.
I broke this little shit right here.
Well, I mean, it's up to you. So, no, you can just leave it as is.
Cause I could go a tiny bit more before it hits here.
But
You
when
see?
you hit a pothole or something,
I don't think it goes that far.
up to you.
Fabian told me that he cut them hoes off when he does a level kick. We're gonna do
I
like
mean, you can notice this. Or let's just bolt that on and then
drive it around
drive it back
and
then
forward.
just to see.
See if it's 60 más.
Yeah.
Alright.
Cause you gotta let it settle. And then,
Yeah. Nah, but this bit is leaning though. Damn. Let me get an angle. Damn. Yeah, it's leaning.
Have you not ever thought about rocket lights?
I am getting those, but I just don't know which one to go to. Cause I
think you should do just white.
I'm gonna do just white.
Like, don't get the ones that change colors.
Nah,
Because
cause
if you
the
put
white,
white, that ain't white.
that ain't white. Yeah.
It's like a blue.
Damn. This bit, nah. It in the camera it don't seem that much, but it looks squatted.
Yeah.
It just,
You can tell more from the front.
yeah.
You can tell it's like.
You can tell it's slanted. Bro, imagine, you remember the first time I had it? I still had it on street tires.
Yeah.
And I had the keys like almost all the way up. And it already looked squatted.
And
Imagine.
you had blocks.
And I had blocks and it looked squatted. Makes me want to turn up the keys, bro.
Up to you.
I'm gonna turn them up a tiny bit. Alright, so we just finished it. It ain't really much of a difference. For real. I mean,
you can tell.
You can tell though.
From the outside.
Not from here, for real. But
I swear, bro, you always on E. Ah, that's like a half tank.
that's like a half tank, bro. What you mean?
You gotta look at it right.
I just gotta look at it right. You gotta get the right angle. Face ass. But yeah, we better go get it washed and then we better go get some shots of it. So, yeah.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. A ver qué pedo. Alright, bro. I'm getting gas. It don't look that much for real. But here's what I want to show y'all. I got a Denali interior. Denali center console.
In the console.
It's dirty, but you know,
It'll do.
it'll do. Yeah. It looks better, don't it?
Yeah.
How it ride? It ride. I feel like it rides smoother. I ain't gonna count.
I don't know why they be hating on them.
Oh God.
Let's go see. If it's like this, nah.
Just a good little week 20. That's it. You don't need no more. about it. Alright, we made it to the cameraman's crib. Late as hell like always. What you doing, cuz? So what's your opinion on it? It don't look squatted like too much, but it is squatted.
It is. Like, it's baby squat.
It's baby squat pretty much, yeah. Maybe on some wides you'll notice it. But definitely, I want to get upper control arms. That way I can turn the keys up.
So maybe go bigger.
4-inch? 4-inch, I feel like 4-inch would be enough. On no blocks? You think it's too much? Nah. I feel like it might.
Just right.
Probably so. That's crazy. Alright, we just picked up the cameraman. What is that?
I want to go get a haircut.
Alright, so pretty much get your. I know you don't like it. I know for a fact you don't like it. So,
No.
what you think though?
I think you're gay, but I like it.
Faces. Nah, from this angle, you're gonna see that bitch looks squatted. But it's not really squatted for real. But when we doing the things to your truck though?
Alright, guys. Stay tuned, but maybe who knows? It could be next week, in a month, 2 weeks. Who knows?
A year? This man finna take.
But I'm not gonna take as long as Webble did.
Oh shit, he calling shots, bro. We not even there yet.
I'm just playing.
We're not even there yet, bro.
He motivated me. Cause si no le voy a dar un huevazo.
Ahora,
But I'm next.
we next. We still
He next.
we still waiting on this man to get his truck. This man's the Webble of our group, bro. This man gonna take too long cooking.
Beep, beep, beep.
Face ass. Cause me and William already cooking, bro. We already cooking. This man, todavía
He barely about to get
los ingredientes, but not even los ingredientes, bro.
Trust the process, though.
Trust the process.
I'm
Pero
gonna be chill.
Oh. Todavía no empieza el pozole. William already got the ingredients,
Ya le voy prendiendo la
lumbre,
Ajá.
and I'm already cooking. I already know.
No, he not.
Wow.
Guys, I was saying he should go 4 inches in the front and then let it drag ass a little. Well, not even, but like just a little bit.
Just a little bit. He don't want
He
me.
said he like it in the ass.
That was so random. Oh. I got some questioning to do, my boy.
Anyway, y'all see that sunset?
That be clean,
I
bro.
was about to say sunrise.
That shit is clean, but y'all already know we cooking. We all cooking something, but
Unos huevitos al menos.
unos huevitos al menos. Pero I mean, I don't know. Next thing up for the truck, I think I already showed y'all the console, but it most likely finna be either the 4-inch lift kit, even though he don't want to. But it's my truck, not his. He can do whatever he want.
That shit gay.
Yo, bitch ass. But nah, but wheels, cause they growing on me. I'm getting tired of them. I ain't even from out of y'all, so like if somebody wanna trade, come by.
A ver, pi, pi, pi. También pinches cochinas, pero pi, pi, pi. A ver, fingertips.
I just want to help today too. But nah, but next week or this week it's coming. No, next week.
Next week.
Next week, gonna go drop his truck off at the shop.
To do something.
Something.
It could be a lift, or it could be a drop.
I'm telling him to squat the slab, but he don't want to.
We'll see.
He don't see. But nah.
They might have that little, what's it called, California.
California lean? Yeah. I want that North Carolina lean.
You made it to Alabama lean today.
Baby. Well, you know, baby steps. We gotta get somewhere. But
Poco a poco.
poco a poco.
Todo su tiempo.
However. But yeah. But y'all, make sure y'all like, subscribe. Oh shit, I'm falling. Content coming up. I know I've been lacking. a lot because I've done a lot to the truck and I recorded it. Like the grill, the console.
Puras fallas.
Puras fallas, bro. I don't even know if I showed y'all, but I got a sub box now. Next thing coming up.
Y ánimo.
Also follow us on Instagram. Y'all already know. Better put the tags up in the video, but that's pretty much it.